I get a lot of questions about tummy tuck. There's a huge interest out there, especially in women who have had kids. Now, sometimes these women think, can I get liposuction? And usually if they've had kids, they're not a good candidate for liposuction. What they really need is a tummy tuck. Liposuction removes fat, tummy tuck removes skin and fat. The other thing a tummy tuck does that people don't often realize is that it tightens up the muscles. So sometimes I see women who have almost no body fat, but they've got loose fascia, and they tell me, I do sit-ups all day long, and my tummy doesn't get flatter. Well, that's because to flatten the tummy, we have to tighten up the muscles on the inside, and that's kind of the secret weapon in the whole thing. Now, people worry about the scar, and unfortunately there is a scar, but my goal is to keep the scar as low as I can, and I find in my experience that my patients are usually extremely happy with the overall change because the scar is usually hidden under their underwear or bathing suit or something like that. And even that part aside, they're so happy that it enclosed, their stomach is flat and it doesn't roll on itself and fold over their belt when they're trying to wear clothes.
I lost 100 pounds, and so it was really kind of gross because my stomach I just had a lot of skin that was hanging over, and you know, you'd have to lick the skin and put deodorant on, and it was just really gross. I had seen 4 different doctors before I saw Dr. Decherd, and he was the last one I saw, and by far the best. He spent so much time talking to me and explaining everything in detail. I bet you we were in there for 45 minutes to an hour. You could tell that he really cared. And so I ended up going with him, and it was the best thing I ever did. The tummy is great because I can fit into anything. I wear the same size as my 13-year-old daughter, and she hates it, but I think it's great. I just got back from Cancun yesterday, and I wore a bikini. I haven't worn a bikini since I was 19. I'm 36. And even when I was 19, I didn't feel as good in a bikini as I do today. So it's been a great experience. It really has. I've sent a couple patients to Dr. Decherd that have all had surgeries and have been very happy.